Welcome to our channel. If you're passionate about trading and eager to master the markets, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will unveil the top trading courses that are tailored to help you enhance your trading skills and achieve your financial goals. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more valuable content. Now, let's get started. Are you tired of being a bystander in the financial markets, watching others profit while you remain uncertain about your trades? Investing in your education is the key to unlocking your potential as a successful trader. There is no shortage of online trading courses, but not all of them are created equal. To save you time and effort, we have handpicked the best trading courses that have garnered rave reviews from traders around the world. Course 1: Stock Trading Mastery. When it comes to trading, stocks are the backbone of the financial markets. Our first course, Stock Trading Mastery, is designed to equip you with essential strategies and techniques to confidently trade stocks. Learn how to identify profitable opportunities, conduct technical and fundamental analysis, and manage risks effectively. This course is suitable for beginners and intermediate traders seeking to make informed decisions in the stock market. Course 2: Cryptocurrency Trading Secrets. Cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm, and this course is your ticket to understanding and profiting from this emerging asset class. Cryptocurrency Trading Secrets will teach you the ins and outs of crypto trading, from setting up wallets to reading crypto charts. Explore different trading strategies and gain insights into the volatile yet highly rewarding world of cryptocurrencies. Course 3: Mastering Options Trading. Options trading can seem complex, but with the right guidance, it can open up a world of opportunities. Mastering options trading is designed to demystify options and empower you with the knowledge to trade them with confidence. Learn about call and put options, strategies for different market conditions, and how to hedge your positions effectively. This course is a game changer for those looking to take their trading skills to the next level. Course 4: Forex Fundamentals and Beyond. The foreign exchange market, or Forex, is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. Forex Fundamentals and Beyond is your gateway to understanding Forex trading from the ground up. Discover how to analyze currency pairs, read economic indicators, and implement risk management strategies. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this course will equip you with the tools to thrive in the Forex market. Course 5: Algorithmic Trading Unleashed. Embrace the future of trading with Algorithmic Trading Unleashed. This advanced course is for traders who want to harness the power of automation and build their trading algorithms. Learn programming languages such as Python and R, and understand how to backtest and optimize your strategies. With algorithmic trading, you can execute trades with precision and speed, giving you a competitive edge in the markets. Congratulations! You've just discovered the top trading courses that can transform your trading journey. Whether you're interested in stocks, cryptocurrencies, options, Forex, or algorithmic trading, there's a course tailored to your needs. So why wait? Take action now and invest in your education. The links to these courses are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, happy trading.